Jeff.
I have a K10 here.
Let's go. Hindi sinin niya yun.
Hello, Bombom! So here it's just a typical chill vlog where I show you little parts of our day while I was still unemployed and actively looking for a job. As you can see, Andre and I used to have so much fun playing games online whenever he was at Lawless Place, while Mama and I were on a video call. Usually, magkukwento muna siya ng kung ano-ano, then eventually makukuha na niya yung iPad ni Mama and shyly asked me if we could play a two-player game together. We always had fun, although syempre madalas ko talaga siyang tinatalo para matuto siyang maging good sport. Character development, syempre. Then here, let's do some house chores. Si Lovie naman nasa school pa that time and minsan nag-extend sila for group studies. Kasi yung first program na kinuha niya dito sa Canada was really challenging, lalo na dun sa isa nilang prof na nagbibigay ng examples during lectures pero pagdating sa exam parang ibang-iba na yung questions. To be fair naman, based din sa experience ko nung student pa ako, medyo normal na yung feeling na, teka lang, saan banda dito yung tinuro? Kapag exam na. Pero syempre, ibang level rin kapag halos hindi mo na makita yung connection. Kaya talagang nag-extra effort sila noon. Minsan pag-uwi ni Lovie galing sa part-time job niya, nag-aaral pa siya hanggang gabi para mag-practice ng sample problems and maintindihan yung lessons ng mas mabuti. And if familiar kayo sa college math subjects, alam niyo yung minsan may partial points ka pa rin sa maayos yung solutions kahit mali yung final answer. Apparently, hindi ganun sa kanila. Kaya talagang kailangan tama yung solution at yung final answer para makakuha ka ng points. So looking back, kudos talaga kay Lovie at sa mga classmates niya. Alam mong pinagpaguran nila yung degree na yun and they truly earned it when they graduated last November 2024. And speaking of graduation, meron din pala akong vlog about that. So if you have some extra time after this video, feel free to check it out as well.
Guys, tapos na ako magligpit. Nilaban ko kagabi. 2 loads ng laundry yun.
So, kukunin ko naman yung mga nilalabang kong comforter, bedsheet, tsaka mga pillowcase. Hindi ko pa pala kukunin. Dryer muna. Punta ako sa basement. Hershey, wait lang ha. Wait lang, okay? Ano, doon ako nanonood. Yan. So, ganito yung basement namin. Remember ko, tapos na siya. Transfer ko na dito. Ganito siya dito. $2 siya. $2 sa dryer. $2 din dito sa washer. Tapos yan. Yun na. Balikan ko na siya mamaya. It's done. It's hot. It's all done here. Hoy! How's your nap?
Just give me a time and location. Give me the phone. No, I promise you, no police. All right? Okay then. See you shortly. Bye bye.
Wait, we need proof of life.
Clearly a man with nothing to hide.
Hi. Meal planning naman next. For Feb. So there's a package. I think this is my first demo order. Hi. I have a K10 here. Okay siya? Ha? High five kung okay. High five! It's a mini wallet. Yeah. Excuse me. Ito okay naman. Cards. Well, mostly dito cards naman. Cards and IDs. So next is belt. Kasi yung nadala kong belt, wala siyang ganito.
na siya ganito. So, nilulusot lang siya. Minsan lumuluwag. Dark brown. I think it's too big. Ayan, canvas lang siya na bag. Ganyan. Pwedeng habaan. Ayun, cute naman siya. Bag check. May pocket siya sa harap. I like it. All this for just less than 500. Not bad, diba? Yan lang. Bye! Hershey! Bye, guys! Oop! Kita niyo ba siya? Nag-charge pa siya dyan.
Dito ba? Park tayo. Let's go. Hindi si Ninyo yon. Nagtataka siya dun sa lalaki na nakatayo doon. Akala niya si Ninyo. Oh. Amo. Stop siya. Hershey, hindi si Ninyo yan. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Diyos ko, day. Inaantay niya yung tao sa likod namin. Okay. Ayun na, oh. Oh. Yan niyo po, nagmamadali na siya. Jump ka, jump ka. Jump, jump. Very good.
Ang dami niya nakitang big dog. Ayan o, 4 sila.
Okay. Wala na. Umuwi na siya.
Don't worry guys, kumalma na siya after. Gusto lang talaga ni Richie makipag-sniff sa mga dogs, especially big dogs, kasi kinalikahan niya si Shadow, big dog namin dati sa Pinas. So after a little walk, a quick update about my job hunting era nung time na to. Around this time, sobrang thankful ko kasi may isa na naman akong interview na na-schedule. Thanks to someone who was kind enough to help and refer me. At the same time, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako sa pag-apply ng office jobs. We were trying our best to find opportunities dito sa London. Pero eventually, naisip din namin na baka mas marami talagang options sa GTA area. But that's a story for another vlog. Again, if umabot kayo hanggang dito, I am beyond grateful. Thank you so much for watching, Bum-Bums, and I'll see you in the next one.